Go ahead. Perfect. So it's been over a year since I've uploaded to YouTube. But I think it needed a fresh restart. My name is Eddie. I'm an ASE automotive master technician. I own a 2006 Toyota Corolla XRS, which this channel is predominantly focused on. I didn't stop recording. I just was focusing on a lot of other things, just improving myself physically, mentally, and just spiritually, and just trying to focus on other things. Just trying to better myself and just get my priorities straight. And with that, it should help me get better content out there. And let me just not blab on and just continue on to this brake upgrade. So my video didn't go as planned. I wanted to replace the front brakes and the rear brakes at the same time and record everything, but unfortunately I broke a tab off the rear caliper, so that just killed everything on the recording side, because I rushed to try to find another caliper for it, and just so I could do it, so I could try to make a track day the next day. But it ended up raining and I rushed for no reason. The smallest wheel I could run was an 18-inch safely. That's what TRD recommended. I didn't want to run 18s because 18s are way too big on my car. I actually wanted to run 16s on my car. So with this Wilwood brake kit, I was able to do that. I was able to run the 17x9 RPF ones in the front and rear, 17x9 with 235/45 17s. And then I also purchased a set of TE37 16x8 square, which I actually really want to be my track set, but I haven't purchased any tires for them yet. I will put a link in the description for the kit that I used. The kit that I used is for a first gen Scion TC. It reuses the stock rotor, which is shared between the 0308 Matrix, 0308 Corolla, the 99, 2000, whatever year Celica, and the Scion TC, which is, I think, is 05 to 010. They all share the same rotor and the same mounting caliper bracket. So I just used the Scion TC kit. You are required, well, not required, but you should space out the calipers. You should buy a separate kit for like a washer kit, so you can evenly space the caliper in between, because if you were to just straight bolt it on, it'll be pretty close, not as close and perfect as it should be centered wise. So that's the only thing that it's not included in the kit, but it does include lines, the pads, the calipers, instructions, and the brackets needed to mount the caliper straight to the factory knuckle. Loctite is needed, and torquing to spec is recommended. I don't have a timeline on when I'm going to upload new videos. It's just when I'm ready. So, new videos whenever. Thanks for watching. Peace.